Hey guys, this is Aswair. Welcome back to my channel. I have something planned for this weekend. So for this video, I'm going to take you guys all along with me as I document my weekend activities. Okay, let's go get started. Hey guys, I'm off campus. Now I'm going to take a new ID photo. Last time I took an exam, the teacher looked at my ID photo and then she looked at me and she said the girl in the photo didn't look like me. And I was like, that's 100% me, I am not cheating. I guess it could be because I had bands in my last photo. Anyway, I have to take new ID photo. I don't want to get into trouble in next exam. Hey guys, I just got off the metro station. And now I'm going to the photography studio. Look at me in the picture and look at me. I hope that next time I have exam, the teacher won't doubt me. Now I'm going to meet up a friend. Oh my god, check it out guys. Look at this. Look at the long line.准备好了吗？有。来吧，这是迟来的。哇！我要跟他们的合照。然后就是，其实是2个耳环了。你到底没有这个？我觉得这个应该会更好，很适合我今天的。对你今天的颜色，算了，不重要。怎么样？好看啊！我现在要擦我耳机。好，我的耳朵是世界上最好看的。开吃。Hey guys, I'm on my way to my auntie's home. We finished our filming for our new music video, but we didn't have enough time to do the recording. So we plan to do it tonight. So looking forward to it. I will see you guys later. It's filming? Okay. Let me say hi to my camera first.
你好.
In English, it's okay.
I'm in China, so I have to speak a little
Okay.
bit. Show me.
Okay.
你好，你叫吗？我叫 Duke. Hello, my name is Duke. And I'm Aswair friend. And we are about to make. What are we about to make again?
雪花酥。
雪花酥。
Yeah, 雪花酥。
雪花酥。
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so today I'm going to teach Duke how to make snowflake biscuits. I only teach him once. If he failed to learn how to make it,
I'm smart enough. I just need one try. Then I'll be good at it.
okay, so the first step.
I should put everything in it.
No.
How many? What's there? It's there. Boom, boom, boom.
Okay, so now we're going to cut off. I hope that it will work. It doesn't look so good.
No.
You want to send them to your friends.
No, I wanted to eat them. But you still want to use this video?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, guys, see, that's what we made. Okay, guys. See, it's not a disaster. It's pretty good. Dude, on this camera to tell about how well we did. No, it's great. It's not.
We did bad. If I'm being honest, we did bad. We did very, very bad. We had less marshmallows, more biscuits. So it's not tasting right, but we'll get it right next time.
Okay,
Don't be scared to make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes.
just wait until next time.
I can fix it better than her. Imagine she taught me, but I'm gonna fix it better now. So you can add it to the video for people to see.
Okay. Hey guys, so Duke is going to make a promise.
I'm promising Aswair that if I have a lot of money in the future,
Yes?
I'm going to send for her from China
Yes?
to come and visit Liberia for free. Because I'll be a millionaire, you know, if I'm a millionaire, you don't have to worry about anything.
Okay.
Plane tickets, hotels, the cars, and everything. If I don't die, if I'm still alive, I'm going to fulfill my promise.
I will pray for you. You can't die.
Yes,
Please. Don't die.
I won't die.
Don't die. Okay.
Make a promise, I'll keep my promise.
Yeah. Okay.
Promise.
Hi guys, this is Asma.
This is the smile.
You can trust me.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
I don't want to kill myself.
trust me.
Oh my god.
Are you crazy?
Do you know how to translate are you crazy?
你疯了吗？
So next time we meet someone, just say
你疯了吗？
Okay, let me teach you the easiest song.
Okay.
The name of this song is called Two Tigers. 两只 is two. Okay?
Okay.
Tigers is 老虎.
老虎，
两只老虎，两只老虎，
两只老虎，
跑得快，跑得快。
跑得快，
一只没有眼睛，
一只没有眼睛，
一只没有尾巴。
一只没有尾巴。
没有 is no, right?
No.
So one without eye, one without tail. 真奇怪，真奇怪 is so strange. Okay, so our Asma just learned how to sing a song. Here we go.
两只长，
What is this?
What is this?
老虎，
Okay.
两只
两只老虎，两只老虎，真奇怪，真奇怪。
跑得快。
只老虎，两只老虎，跑得快，跑得快。一只没有眼睛，一只没有尾巴。Stop telling me! I will do it again, okay? 一只没有眼睛，一只没有尾巴。 站起来，站起来。哇哦！
I am such a great
你疯
teacher.
了，
你才疯了。
你疯了。
You are crazy. Okay, say goodbye. Bye bye. Okay, you want to sing again?
老虎跑得快，跑得快。
Again?
一只没有眼睛，一只没有尾巴，站起快，站起快。
You're such
你疯了，你疯了。